peep here, peep peep there, tiny peeps everywhere. E-I-E-I-O.
Hi there! Welcome to the farm!
Baby cow goes moo moo moo.
Oh, you're so cute!
E-I-E-I-O. Little steps go tap tap too. E-I-E-I-O. Moo moo here, tap tap there, soft sounds everywhere. E-I-E-I-O.
Ba ba ba, the little lamb.
Fluffy lamb goes ba ba ba. E-I-E-I-O.
Happy lamb.
Little jumps go ha ha ha. E-I-E-I-O. Baba here, hop hop there, fluffy fun everywhere. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a
Wow, look at the
farm.
farm!
E-I-E-I-O.
Let's go see the
Baby
animals!
chick goes peep peep peep. E-I-E-I-O. Peep peep here, peep peep there, tiny peeps everywhere.
Hi there! Welcome to the farm!
E-I-E-I-O.
Oh, you're so cute!
Baby cow goes moo moo moo. E-I-E-I-O. Little steps go tap tap too. E-I-E-I-O. Moo moo here, tap tap there, soft sounds everywhere. E-I-E-I-O. Fluffy lamb goes ba ba ba. E-I-E-I-O. On the farm I start my day, feeding friends along the way. Here a snack, there a treat. Happy animals love to eat. Welcome child, come along, help me care, sing this song. Feed them well, kind and slow. Watch our little farm friends grow. Crunchy carrots for the horse, moo cow munching grass of course. Cluck cluck chickens peck the grain. Yum yum food again again. Oink, pig enjoys a tasty bite. Healthy food keeps them bright. Quack duck splash and nibble too. Good food keeps them strong like you. Care and love is what we share. Feeding and